It's the last day of the World Economic Forum on Africa, and leaders on the continent have called for the need to accelerate the growth potential through education and improved healthcare delivery.
Nigeria's Minister of Finance, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, highlighted the importance to fast-track the Millennium Development Goals for the continent. Also, the Prime Minister of Côte d'Ivoire, Daniel Duncan, reiterated the need to improve the education system for Africa.
Education is crucial. I want to agree with His Excellency, the President of Senegal, on that, and with you on your observation, because really, if you educate girls and women, then you take care of a whole lot of problems, as he has said. So that's critical. But I think one area I'd like to highlight and be more critical where we are failing is on maternal mortality. Why do I say that? I say that because that's where we really do have answers to that. We know what to do. We have the technology to make sure that women do not die in childbirth. And yet, we have very high maternal mortality numbers, including here in Nigeria. And I think that saving lives is vital. There is no reason a woman should die in childbirth today. It is something easily tackled. I think where we are failing is that we have this rising continent, rising Africa, but the issue of inequality, we haven't focused on it with the kind of laser beam we need to, and we need to do that. Because even as we're growing, I'll take Nigeria as an example, we've been growing rapidly, but our Gini coefficient that measures inequality has also been increasing. If you look across Africa, you see that Nigeria is, let's say, at 0.49, South Africa is at 0.63, Botswana 0.60. The closer you are to 1, the worse the inequality. And you look at across the continent, that is the one area we are not doing well. Second, the quality of growth. The fact that this inequality is increasing means that the quality of the growth we are delivering has to be improved.
Education, of course, is important. I think we have to take example elsewhere. Take the case of Asian country and take the case of South America. What helped them to be at the level now? Because if you compare, for instance, some of our countries, Côte d'Ivoire, Senegal, to some of those countries, even Korea and Malaysia, we are in the mid, let's say in the 70s, we are quite at the same level. But they have made very important and rapid progress. Why? What is the reason they have it? Because they have invested heavily in education.
The main thing that needs to happen is obviously good governance, institutions functioning, peace, rule of law, access to, respect and dignity of the individual, as I call it. These are the fundamentals, and there are enormous opportunities, but they're fundamentals for business as much as for governments, because they're fundamentals of society. And then the second thing I would ask is, as we develop this growth, because this continent is growing very fast, be sure it's done in a sustainable way. We have the opportunity to design the growth here in the future and not make the mistakes that have been made in many parts of the world. So how do you do your agriculture, make it sustainable? How do you take care of climate change and be active parts of that? And again, Africa is taking a very responsible position as far as I'm concerned.